One simple step every morning, and your trading day is set. First, log in to your TradeSmart trading application. Head over to your dashboard, scroll all the way to the bottom, and there it is, SmartAlgo. Just click on it. You'll be automatically redirected to SmartAlgo. No separate login, no extra steps. Straight in, done. Now, why is this step important? This is a compliance requirement. SmartAlgo needs this daily authorization to place trades automatically on your behalf. Skip this step and your algo won't run. So every trading day, make sure this is done by 9:10 a.m. One click and your algo is live, ready to trade. It's quick, it's simple, and once it becomes a habit, this 30-second step will keep your entire trading running on autopilot.